Hey guys, it's me, Low Flip. So looks like I got stuck in Wisconsin for 2 days during the weekend, over the weekend, and it's been kind of boring. A lot of snow, a lot of shoveling. It was a nice, relaxing 2 days. It's unfortunate I got stuck, but it happens, you know. That's part of trucking. But other than that, guys, right now I'm in Darlington, Wisconsin, and so right now I'm kind of close to the O1. Um, what I did was I kind of scout the area, and basically I looked at the review and I saw that some people parked outside of the warehouse. So parked outside of the warehouse first and walk over to the shipping office rather than just pulling right in. So I never just go in blindly. I always read my last mile and try to like plan my route. It's a good advice because you never know. Since if you do OTR, you'll be going to different shipping warehouse and receiving. So you want to make sure that you know you scout out and plan your routes carefully, because you don't want to make a mistake and end up going inside the employee's parking lot or something like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start my day and start heading out there. All right, so kind of looks like I have to do my full 10 so that I'd be able to get a good reset, because it'll be 9 to 8 hours to get to Springfield, Missouri. I'll do my 10 hours, start driving around like I say 8 a.m. I'm tired. I wish they took their time here because I only need like another hour, but there's no place to park, and a guy came in just now to park, I guess, a dock. So it's no problem though. I'll relax and hang out at the McDonald's. Let me go ahead and slide in my tandems now before I forget. I'm not even joking, guys, but I think I got lucky with this spot. So I'm gonna do my 10 here. So I was just walking my dog, and my trainer sent me a video of what happened in the last couple days with the whole winter thing, and it's actually insane to watch. I'll let you guys watch it first and see what it is.
I flipped over in a semi truck. What's up, brother?
This is crazy.
Man, he's standing up. For me, I'm still in my seatbelt. You know I'm fired.
It's my first day.
Yeah, this
is my first day.
At least he wasn't driving. I'm the trainer. I don't know why they picked me to be the trainer. It's a bad learning experience, right?
Shit happens, man.
That's crazy. And guess what? He see me on social media and everything.
I did. This is my first day with you.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say, man. I'm hanging in the seatbelt.
In the seatbelt.
Any head, neck, or back pain?
Nope.
Any loss of consciousness?
Nope.
You gotta ask. Don't imply anything. Any drugs or alcohol?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I done lost my damn job. Nigga, I just got my goddamn CDLs. Nigga, I just got my goddamn CDLs, bro. I think I done lost my damn. I just got my shit. Boss ain't gonna believe this. Y'all think I'm fired? Y'all think I'm fired? I'm all 16, 18 wheels up on this bitch.
So yeah, it's never worth it to drive empty like that in a blizzard and on a windy day. It's kind of unfortunate, especially with one of them losing their CDL and the other guy who could have potentially killed his student and his student trainee. It's just it's unfortunate that that happened, and I'm glad they're all right. But so always try to stay safe. What? Why'd you? Are you okay? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish walking my dog. But yeah, it's crazy videos because we got to think a little bit more on how dangerous it is outside, especially when driving during winter. It's never worth it. Here's your toy. All right, I'll be right back, buddy, okay? I gotta go work. I really hope he doesn't bite everything. All right, guys. Today, we're changing our head gasket. So I got my head gasket right here, so we're gonna go ahead and work on it. I'm just kidding. I'm just changing my air filter. Alrighty. That actually took a lot longer than I expected. If I had a gun, this would have been done so fast. It's okay though, it happens. At least I did it and saved some money. That's all that matters. Ooh. Park it at 175. Alright, looks like this is it. I'll just go grab the lock now just in case if I forget. But no biggie.